Rointe, leader in the electric heating market, presents the low-consumption Rointe Digital Integral System, a heating and domestic hot water system which combines design, technology and energy efficiency. The water heater is switched on using the center button on the control panel, at which point a welcome message appears. After 5 seconds, the main information screen is displayed. The high-resolution TFT screen is divided into 3 information zones. On the left, the user-specified temperature is displayed, variable in half-degree steps. Just below, one finds the time, day of the week, and program visualization strip. The right-hand part of the screen displays the operational mode, the keyboard locked, and the active heating element icons. To avoid unintentional or unwanted adjustments to the water heater settings, the control panel can be locked. By pressing the plus and minus buttons together for 3 seconds, the control panel is rendered inactive and the locked symbol appears. To unlock the control panel, one simply repeats the process. To set the target temperature of the water, we use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the value in half-degree steps until the desired temperature is displayed. While the temperature in the water heater has not yet reached the user-specified target temperature, the heating elements will continue to convert electricity to thermal energy. This process is indicated by the resistor symbol on the top right-hand side of the screen. The TFT TD series water heater has 2 operational modes, manual and automatic. To toggle from one mode to the other, the Man Auto button should be pressed and released. On the right-hand part of the screen, an M will appear to indicate manual mode, or an A to represent automatic mode. In manual mode, the water heater works as a simple thermostat, allowing the user to simply adjust the temperature between 40 and 73 degrees Celsius. When we change to automatic, the program stored in the water heater memory is invoked. To program, first we must correctly set the time and the day of the week. By pressing the Man Auto button for 3 seconds, we can begin to set these parameters. While it is flashing, we can modify the hour using the plus and minus buttons. By pressing and releasing the Man Auto button, the minutes will begin to flash, and we can again adjust this as we did with the hour. To move on to the day of the week, we again press and release the Man Auto button. Towards the bottom of the screen, the strip representing the 7 days of the week will begin to flash, and we select the appropriate one by again using the plus and minus buttons. By pressing and releasing the Man Auto again, we accept the currently selected day. To program the water heater, we must first be in automatic mode. This is checked by verifying that the A icon is displayed on the right-hand part of the screen. By pressing the menu button for 3 seconds, we enter the water heater programming process. First, we choose the comfort mode temperature, indicated on the right-hand part of the screen by a sun symbol. We can choose a value between 55 and 73 degrees Celsius. We adjust the temperature using the plus and minus buttons until the desired temperature is displayed. We press and release the menu button and proceed to set the economy mode temperature. This can be anywhere between 40 and 54.5 degrees Celsius and is represented by a crescent moon icon on the right-hand part of the screen. Once the temperatures have been set, we will select the days of the week which we wish to set the program for. To move to this stage, we again press and release the menu button, at which point the numbers representing the days of the week will begin to flash. Using the plus and minus buttons, we move through the days, and using the on button, we select or deselect the appropriate days. Once we have selected the days we want to program for, press and release the menu button again to move on to the hour-by-hour programming. We cycle through the 3 options, no heating, economy, and comfort by pressing the on button. When you have the desired mode for the current hour, pressing the plus or minus button will move us up or down to the next hour, and the process is repeated for each hour. We save the program by again pressing and releasing the menu button to drop out of the programming process. Anti-frost mode maintains a security minimum water temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. This can result in energy savings. In automatic mode, we can activate anti-frost by pressing the plus button during an hour which has been programmed for no heat. When activated, the snowflake symbol is displayed and the temperature will show as 8 degrees Celsius. To deactivate the anti-frost function, press the minus button. In manual mode, anti-frost is activated by repeatedly pressing the minus key until the temperature displayed is 8 degrees Celsius and the snowflake symbol appears. The TFT Rointe RD water heater incorporates an anti-Legionella function. Once a day, the tank will automatically heat the water to 73 degrees for 2 hours. This function is represented by the anti-Legionella symbol, which is displayed throughout the process. After 2 hours, the water heater returns to the previous state. At any time, we can visually check the progress of the RDI water heating process. By pressing the menu button for 10 seconds, the percentage progress of the water heater to reach the user-defined target temperature is displayed. You can enter the screen illumination control menu by pressing the menu button for 3 seconds whilst the water heater is in manual mode. Using the plus and minus button, the screen brightness can be adjusted. Rointe Digital Integral System, the professional, low-consumption integral heating system.